Rural area schools reigned supreme as the ISSA All-Ireland Under-19 and Under-16 netball competitions ended at GC Foster College on Friday, with Holmwood Technical and Denbigh being crowned champions.
Serrana Brown led the way for defending champions Holmwood Technical as they retained the ISSA All-Ireland Under-19 netball title after defeating Gainstead 36-33 at GC Foster College on Friday. It was a close matchup from the opening whistle as both teams ended the first quarter 8-8. Gainstead took the ascendancy in the second and third quarter, leading 19-17 and 28-25 heading into the final quarter. But Holmwood came roaring back to close out the game for a close victory. Brown had 16 goals from 34 attempts. Makeda Thomas was impressive as she scored a game-high 28 goals from 32 attempts for Gainstead.
Over the years, I've always made sure that the girls are fit because I know from experience that when you have the legs, you can do anything. And so we have been working on fitness for the last month, and it paid off for us. I was a bit scared at one point because I thought the girls were giving up. But I kept at them, just keep fighting, because it's never over until it's done. And so they did that, and the legs came through for them.
The Under-16 equivalent was even more thrilling as the game had to be decided in extra time, with Denbigh claiming the title 31-29. A game-winning performance of 31 goals from 33 attempts from Kashada Wignall took Denbigh over the line. Jadine Frith led the way for Wolmers with 28 goals from 32 shots. After the first extra time quarter, both teams were locked at 29 all. However, Denbigh held their nerves in the second period to snatch the narrow win.
It was difficult, it was hard, because the two junior teams here, they're really good. They're really playing well. And I want to say big up to Wolmers because they have a good coach behind them. They have the tall play inside the circle. And so we have to match them, continue to match them every time. But well done to Denbigh High School.
Denbigh's goal defender Simonia Smith was named MVP of the game. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.